This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Gross Models, welcome to issue 113 of Building. Not far now. The Call of the Wild, the Autobots and the Paths. Was that the... That wasn't the dinosaurs, they're Dinobots. It was the Maximals, I can't remember. Through, feel free. I just want to get the build done now. Looking through a glass dark room, shattered glass. Black Zarek. Scorponok returns to take revenge. No idea about that. War for Cybertron. More of them. Bumblebee. Yeah. Wheeljack. One. Don't know about that. Right, there we go. My arm, part 7. We've got more armor panels to attach to the lower arm. Cannon piece, sort of attaching in there, and then attaching the arm off. This has got a bigger bolt for the arm than the legs. It's very strange. Then put around it while it's in place, and then a cover over the done with the right arm. So yeah, next time we've got a bit more on the left arm, putting that on, and then we're basically done in a couple more issues. And let's get the arm put on. Got one bag of bolts, or bolt rather, for attaching it. We don't need that quite yet this time. We are going to be assembling some of this. This is the bits from last time. So we're going to be putting bits onto here. So what have we got? That goes on there. That's round. It doesn't matter which way round that goes. That one on there. Lower panel on there. Like that. Then that, oh no, there's another little bit, the little plug. Oh, there's an extra hole on that. Goes in at the end. There we go. That in on there. We've got the two. It goes on the inside. It goes onto those. Doesn't. No, this that way round. The two goes onto there and down there. So that one in there. There we go. So there we have that all joined up on there. Then that on the inside on there. That bit. Those still to go. The discs, what we're going to be using next. Let me just double. The other bits get used. Yeah. Yeah, so that goes on there, that goes on there, that goes on the outside of that, and that goes in there. Right, yes. So we need these two disc pieces to go onto there. This as well. So they go on there, and then that goes into there. Because we need to get the screw through that to hold all that together. So let me get that lined up, ready to go. Move those over there for now. I'll get the bolt. Because once they go on there, these bits also need to go on the outside of that. Those glued in place, because that's going to be so much easier than messing around with it outside. Just using a bit of Gorilla Gel to do the glue. Works very well, it dries very quickly, and I can get just a little bit out. . 1 . Pop that on there, making sure the grooves are on the outside. And do the same on that bit. Let me get that done and then try and get this has gone onto the back of the arm joint. That I've managed to get it tight. So it does mean just getting that lined in the rest of the way. And now from here, I can't see if that's all the way. Put the washer or the two washers in there. Yeah, so that's not dropping down onto that, and that's coming off of there, but that will go back on in a minute. And up right. There we go. So that should be much right. So it might be this bit that's not lined up on the. Let's try screwing it through. That might make a difference. I think that's getting there. Yeah, that's getting there. So that should now be that's on the other side. We'll find out when that gets tightened. But not quite yet. That's not. Nut may have worked its way loose a little bit from that. So let me figure that out. And the other little bits. Arm attached and articulated. So these armour pieces have all got to go. This one goes on the inside. Attached. Oh, the other two are going to get used in a minute, no doubt. Onto one of these red shock absorbers. Like that, I think. Can't quite see from here, but it's. Then. This bit goes over the. And. Yeah, the other end of this attaches to that. To these two. Other end of that. That's got to go over there. Like that. So yeah, I'm going to have to arrange myself to be angle for that. Get that on there first, I think. Or maybe not. Get that off of there. Goes in there. There we go. There. Then that should be able to put that on there. And that'll go back in there. Okay. Then we've got the other piece that goes around the outside. From the outside. And again, the other part of that joins up to that. There. Put that there. And then finally, that bit, that pin at the top there, going upwards. In fact, that has got a bayonet piece on it, a flattened side, so it will only go one. That on there like that. So let me arrange that and get that on there, and that will be. That bit goes over the bolt hole on the back and get to at the moment. But that's that, and that will be that arm. I think pretty much completed. Yeah, that'll do for now. I shall see you for more next time when we're. I think we're doing a little bit more things to it, but I'll see you for that.
Just there, look. You can wave now a little bit.
Thanks for watching. Stay safe.